Hey friends, welcome to another new exciting episode of I Was Learning Made Easy. Last episode we discussed about stack implementation in Swift. Today we'll be discussing about what is queue, different operations in queue. We'll do the queue implementation in Swift and we'll make that queue a generic one. So guys, what is queue? Queue is nothing but a data structure where we are just adding and inserting element just like stack, but here the order is different. In stack we are following last in first output principle, that is called LIFO, but here we'll be doing first in first output principle. It means the element which is going to be added to the queue first, that's the element it should be removed from the queue first. So first in first output. So without delaying any time, let's dive into Xcode and do some coding steps. So here for you I just created a few boilerplate codes, like nothing but we created a struct like queue, and he's just having a variable like array, which is array of string. Now we have a computed property called isEmpty. Currently we're returning false because to avoid that warning, and we'll be modifying soon. And then we have one enqueue method which is just used to adding element to our queue, and we have another method called dequeue which is used to removing the first element from the queue. So and yeah, also we added one protocol to our queue, custom string convertible, just to print out all what is the element in the queue to see in a nicer way. So first we'll try to modify with isEmpty. We will return like array is empty. Is empty is you will test whether the array is empty or not. If it is empty, it will return true or false. Okay, now here while adding, simply we just add array append and this like element. Cool. Now here we'll use our computer property which we created. If is empty, okay, if is empty, we will return nil, or else it will crash if the array is empty. If not, then return array remove, oh sorry what I'm writing, array writing remove first, remove what, 0. Okay, so it will always return the first element like deleting. So we'll test here like var my queue. Now we'll be adding few element like this, my queue, sorry, and a queue. It's like Shakti, my name, queue, my middle name, then just another one like my last name. Okay, now we'll be removing one element like so tq. So there you go, and we'll print this thing Subamaga this this one. Okay, now see. Okay, because first we added Shakti Prakash Rich, and then after dequeuing it is just remove the first element like Shakti from that. So and like what I said, now we'll be converting this queue as a generic type. So it will be like T. Okay, and now the array is not, it will be like array of T instead of string, then T. Here same thing, it will be T. Okay, now I think here we have to modify this one. We'll tell this as a string, and we'll be create another like what, my queue int, it's like queue int, and we'll be having this thing like this. Now my queue int ln q 1. Now when q2. Now finally I'll just doing like q dot dq. So we'll be printing like this, print oh, we are good to go. Come on, export, show me the result. Yes, you can easily see this is all related to the first one, q Prakash Takti. Now next we added first one to the queue, so then 2. Now currently, because dq means removing the element first which is added for the first, so it is showing the 2. So this is all about the queue representation in Swift.